Let's look at expanding two brackets. So here is method number 1. So what I've got here is I've got this p plus 3 being multiplied by p minus 7. So we want to multiply every term in one bracket by every term in the other. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that first bracket and split that out and do p plus 3. Then I'm going to take the second bracket and do that on the top, p take away 7. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to treat this as a multiplication grid and multiply these. So I'm going to get p times p, which will give me p squared. P times minus 7 is going to give me minus 7p. 3 times p will give me 3p, and 3 times minus 7 will give me minus 21. So now that I've got those four pieces, I can write them at the top here. Let me just tidy that up. So I can say, right, I've got a p squared term minus a 7p term plus a 3p term minus 21. The only thing I need to do now, I'm nearly done, is I just need to look for like terms. And hopefully you'll notice that minus p, 7p and plus 3p are like terms. So I can combine those together. So I can get p squared minus 7p plus 3p will give me minus 4p, and then take away 21. So that's one way of doing it. A second method is to use what we call FOIL, which stands for first, outside, inside, last. Oh, goodness. So how that works. First means take the first term in the first bracket and the first term in the second bracket and multiply those two terms. So first times first gives me p times p, which is going to simplify to p squared. Outside means take the numbers on the outside. So this p is on the outside, this minus 7, and notice I'm grouping the minus 7 together. Those are on the outside of the brackets. So now I'm going to do plus p times negative 7, which that is going to become negative 7p. Now I need to do the inside. So now I need to look for the terms in the middle. Okay, in the middle there. So now I'm going to do plus 3 times p, and that's going to give me 3p. And then last of all, I need to do inside each bracket. Let me just, so we can see a little more clearly. The last term in the first bracket and the last term in the second bracket, you're multiplying those. So that's going to give you plus 3 times negative 7, which will give us negative 21. Now if I combine those together, p squared minus 7p plus 3p will give me minus 4p, take away 21.